Sora gives you a limited number of generations before it wants payment. Runway Gen-3 locks features behind a trial that expires by email and phone. Both reset completely with a new account. Here's the exact method to create as many as you need, in under 2 minutes each. AI platforms use phone verification as their primary account uniqueness check. Harder to fake than email, harder to scale than credit cards. Sora ties trial limits to the OpenAI account, which requires phone verification at sign-up. Runway Gen-3 adds phone verification as part of their account security layer. The phone number is the lock. A virtual number is the key, because platforms verify that a real SMS arrived on a real carrier number. They don't verify it's permanently yours. For Sora, it runs on OpenAI accounts. Go to SMS-MAN, select OpenAI from the service list, pick any country, copy the number. Create a new OpenAI account, paste the number in the phone field, switch back to SMS-MAN. Code arrives in under a minute. New Sora account, full generation quota, starting fresh. For Runway Gen-3, same exact flow, but select Runway from SMS-MAN's service list. New email, new virtual number, new account. Full trial credits restored. The process takes 90 seconds once you've done it once. Works the same for any AI platform with phone verification. Midjourney, 11 Labs, Pika, and hundreds more. SMS-MAN, 190 countries from 1 cent. Link in the description.